Okay, let's talk about something. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about section 2.2. And this is more on functions and graphs. Okay, what if we have something like this? Okay, we have x1, we have x2, we have f of x1, and then we have f of x2. Okay, what is this going to be called? Well, this is going to be called increasing. What if we had something like this? Okay, so here's x1, here's x2. Okay, this is going to be f of x2, f of x1. This is going to be called what? Decreasing. Okay, and then we have one other kind of function, and that is the constant function, the function that does this. Okay. All right, and that function does not increase, does not increase or decrease. Okay, what if we had something like this? So this function, it does this, it comes down, and it comes up, and then it goes down. Okay, so this is going to be decreasing. This is going to be increasing. This is also decreasing. Here we have a min. Here we have a max. Okay, so this is also concave up, concave down. Okay, so now we have something called, this is called Y symmetry. Okay. Then we have X symmetry. So X symmetry is like this. So this is X symmetry. And we also have something like this. And this is a circle. This is going to have X, Y, and odd symmetry. Okay, what about this guy right here? Even function. Okay, if we have something like this, negative x, and that equals f of x, well, that's going to do something like this, right? And that means that you're plugging in a negative x into here and generating some type of, plugging in a negative x and getting this. What about an odd function? What about something like this? Well, if you plug in a negative number, you should get a negative in front of the function. Odd function would look something like this. Okay, so there we go, we have that. And here's some examples right here. So we have, what do we have? We have f of x is equal to x cubed minus 6x. This is going to be odd. We also have something like this, x to the fourth minus 2x squared. This is going to be even. And then we also have something like this. This is x squared plus 2x plus 1, and this is neither. We also have something called a difference quotient. And the difference quotient is going to be something like this. So the difference quotient is very interesting and very neat, because really it's like an advanced version of slope. So here's slope right here. And the difference quotient is kind of like an advanced version of that. So here we go. So we have f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. And the function that we're going to evaluate is going to be x plus 3. So what we're going to get here is x plus h plus 3 minus x plus 3 all over h. So let's see here. So the x's, okay, the x's will cancel, the 3's will cancel, the h's will cancel, and what are we going to get? We're just going to get the number 1, okay? So the slope is equal to 1. So when we have a linear equation, y equals mx plus b, okay, you have to think that we are connecting these two guys together right here. So m is equal to 1 here, okay? Okay, so here's a little bit of trivia right here. So a function, okay, defined, okay, by 2 or more equations is called, it's called what? Piecewise. Okay, we have a piecewise function here. Also, let's look here. Okay, we have x plus h. This is going to be f of x, and this is going to be plus h. This is going to be f of x plus h, and this is going to be f of x plus f of h. Okay, and we're trying to see if these are true or false here. And this one is going to be false, and this one is going to be false. So you cannot distribute the function amongst these things, okay? Okay, and then this over here, we have something like this. So this goes up, something like this. And we're going to label these things. So this is going to be the max. Okay, this is a relative min. This is also a relative max. This is increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. Okay. Domain of this is negative infinity to infinity. And range is going to go from negative infinity to the max. Okay. And these are going to be our intercept points. This one and this one. This is x intercept. And this is x intercept. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. And here we go. So that ends this video on, this was section 2.2.